I split the bill with my friends every time we eat out. I am splitting logs for the fire right now. I have just split my trousers bending over. I have been splitting my time between two jobs for months. I split the last slice of cake with my sister yesterday. I was splitting firewood when the axe head flew off. I had split the group into teams before the game began. I had been splitting hairs over the wording for an hour before we agreed. I will split the profits with my partner next week. I will be splitting wood in the yard all morning. I will have split every log by the weekend. By June, I will have been splitting my week between two cities for a year.